Good. So you can do the same thing that you did supine on the back of the legs too. So option to do that. But I want to show you the sort of sandwich leg work that's a lot of secondary contact. So you basically pick up the leg and sit under the thigh.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
See?
Oh, I see.
And then so you're doing thumbless energy lines, but you're sandwiching your thigh and your forearm, and so you're working both the send lines on the back and the front. Which I really love this.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Rock on, rock off. Rock on, rock off. Yeah. Any questions about this? Okay, so
How many times is
up and down.
up now for
I
3
think
times?